If you want to buy a domain name or build a website using one of the most popular platforms, let me show you how GoDaddy works and how to save money during checkout. We're already on the official GoDaddy website. GoDaddy is a well-known domain registrar and web services provider that helps individuals and businesses get online. It offers domain registration, website builders, web hosting, professional email, SSL certificates, and many other tools in one place. Right here on the homepage, you can search for domain names like .com, .net, .org, and many other extensions. GoDaddy also provides options to build a website, start an online store, or set up business email along with your domain. Before buying anything on GoDaddy, it's important to understand how the checkout works because this is where prices can change based on add-ons and plans. But before you go to checkout, it's always smart to check Techie Coupons. Now switching to the Techie Coupons website. This is Techie Coupons, a trusted website where you can find verified and regularly updated coupon codes for domain registrars, hosting services, and other tech tools. On Techie Coupons, there's a dedicated GoDaddy store page that lists the latest active GoDaddy coupon codes, domain discounts, hosting deals, and special offers. On this page, you'll clearly see which coupons apply to domain registration, hosting plans, website builders, or email services. You'll also find simple instructions on how to apply the coupon so you don't miss any savings at checkout. Once you've checked the GoDaddy deals on Techie Coupons and copied the coupon code if needed, let's go back to the GoDaddy website. Now back on GoDaddy. First, search for the domain name you want and add it to your cart. GoDaddy will show you the price for 1 year, and you may also see options to register the domain for multiple years. Choosing a longer term can sometimes help lock in a price. Next, GoDaddy may suggest add-ons like domain protection, email, hosting, or website tools. You can review these carefully and remove anything you don't need to keep the cost low. Once you're ready, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout screen, review your cart summary carefully. Look for the promo code or coupon code field. Paste the GoDaddy coupon code you found on Techie Coupons into this box and apply it. If the code is valid, you'll see the total price update instantly. Take a moment to confirm the discounted amount, then enter your payment details and complete the purchase. That's it. Your domain or service is now active, and you successfully saved money by using Techie Coupons. Before buying domains, hosting, or website tools from GoDaddy or any other provider, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, updated discounts, and the best available deals. The link to the GoDaddy coupon page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.